A rural Tennessee hospital remains in limbo almost 1 year after damage from Hurricane Helene. It was underwater. Reporter Sarah Ottman spoke with the chief operating officer of Ballad Health about what it means for the community.
Our concern is that with the Medicaid cuts that are coming in 2028, to our system, it's going to impact us in the first year about $25 million in cuts to us, and that will graduate up to around $125 to $150 million over 5 years.
Unicoi County Hospital still stands, but inside, damage from Hurricane Helene left it beyond repair. Ballad Health planned to demolish this site and rebuild a new hospital, but a new federal law has put those plans on hold. Learn more tonight at 11.
And right now, you can watch our Hurricane Helene coverage, 96 hours in Asheville. We documented the aftermath of Helene in the week after that storm. And then 5 months into the recovery, you can scan that QR code. It will take you directly to that story on our website.